So, hello everyone. My name is Nainika Hadkar and currently I am an intern in Immertex Information Technology and doing an internship based on embedded systems. We have built a project based on MP Lab IDE simulated on software PIC Sim Lab. We have worked on this project that is microwave oven simulation. This project is built in a group of two members, myself Nainika Hadkar and my partner Ayush Raj. So firstly, we'll talk about the introduction of microwave oven and go into the detail of the block diagram of microwave oven. Furthermore, we will talk about the working software materials used, what is embedded system, few applications of it, few advantages and disadvantages, and lastly we will conclude the PPT. The topics we learned during the internships are the introduction to the C language. First 1 week of the internship we learned about the C language. Furthermore we learned about the arrays and pointers, functional strings, storage classes, conditional loops and operations like for loop, while loop, etc. Introduction to embedded system and microcontrollers. We also learned about these three software which are called MPLab, XC8 and PiximLab. Furthermore, we were taught the introduction to various peripherals of 16F877A. And furthermore, we attended the multiple quizzes which were held every week. And lastly, they concluded it with the Disha workshop. So, what is a microwave oven? In terms of technology, the evolution of microwave ovens have been remarkable. From this inception as massive and expensive devices to today's compact and feature-rich appliances. The integration of advanced technologies such as inverter technology and sensor cooking has improved their performances and user experience. In today's fast paced world, the microwave oven has become an indispensable appliance in kitchens worldwide. The remarkable invention has revolutionized the way we cook, reheat, and prepare our meals. Microwave ovens rely on several electric components to operate efficiently and safely. One of these are microcontrollers and microprocessors. So, microprocessor consists of only a central processing unit, whereas microcontroller contains CPU, memory, input output all integrated into one chip. Microprocessor is used in personal computers whereas microcontroller is used in an embedded system. Microprocessors uses an external bus to interface to RAM, ROM and other peripherals. On the other hand, microcontroller uses an internal controlling bus. Microprocessors are based on one Neumann model. Microcontrollers are based on Harvard architecture. Microprocessor is complicated and expensive with a large number of instructions to process, but microcontroller is inexpensive and straightforward with fewer instructions to process. The main component of microwave oven is the magnetron. The magnetron is the heart of microwave oven. It generates microwave radiation by converting electrical energy into mechanical energy. These waves, typically in the 2.4 GHz range, are responsible for heating and cooking food. Furthermore, what is embedded system? There are two types of embedded system: hardware based, software based. Firstly, let's break the term embedded system. Essentially, they are specialized computing systems dedicated to performing specific tasks or functions within a larger system. Unlike your typical personal computer or smartphone, embedded systems are designed for a single purpose and they are everywhere around us. For example, your alarm clock, the microwave oven you use to heat breakfast, the thermostat controlling your home's temperature. All of these devices rely on embedded systems. In fact, the modern car you drive is a treasure trove of embedded system. From engine control units to infotainment system, embedded systems are everywhere, like real-time operation, resource constraints, aerospace, consumer electronics, even Internet of Things. In the era of IoT, embedded systems are the backbone connecting everyday objects to the internet for monitoring and controlling. We have used CLCD in our software for components. CLCD stands for Character Liquid Crystal Display. In Pixim Lab, there are two types of display, one 16 by 2 display and 16 by 4 display. It displays the ASCII characters and some special characters. As you can see in the photo, it is most commonly used display. There are two types of communication modes. One is 4-bit mode and the other is 8-bit mode. The second component we used is the MKP. MKP matrix keyboard. MKB stands for matrix keyboard. This is a keypad in which number of tactile switches are connected in row and column. This is used when more number of used inputs are required and still want to save some controller input lines. These keypads are most commonly used in telephones, calculators, digital lockers, and few more. Furthermore, the block diagram of microwave oven will be explained by Ayush.
Thank you, Nanika. And let's talk about the block diagram of microwave oven. In the microcontroller diagram, first control LCD, keypad, and door switch, and a stirrer, light, grill heater, HV transformer, magnet wire. Next, next, and a working process how to working of microwave oven. The microwave oven uses a magnet line to generate microwave energy. The microwave energy travels through a waveguide and is distributed into a metal cavity where the food is cooked. The waves are absorbed by the food and excite water molecule in the food. This heat then transfers throughout the food, cooking it. And software material user MPLab XIDE version of 6.5 and PixSimLab board PIC Genius and microcontroller PIC 16F877A. Next, architecture of PixSimLab PIC microcontroller of PixSimLab PIC 16F877A auto control first CLCD, then microcontroller, and then matrix keypad, then SSD control, digital keypad, gadgets, LEDs, RS-232, ADC, temp sensor, RTC prompt, and GPEI. Next, types of cooking mode. First, micro mode, grill mode, next, convection mode, and fourth, start mode. Next, first, micro mode. Micro mode how to control if the user press Q1 from the cooking mode display screen. The micro mode will be displayed in CLCD. Next, the set time screen will be next where we prompt the user to enter the number of minutes and seconds to be run in micro mode. The press H key is used for clearing the frame minutes or seconds set time, and the H key is used to enter the next process. The time display screen will appear as soon as the user enter the H key. The final time off. Next, the timer will be running in a decremented value till screen seconds be zero. After that, the buzzer is on for few seconds, indicating a timeout alert to the user. Next, the P5 press in the time display is used to pause the timer. The fan is also turned off. Next, the press P4 will visualize the timer operation, and press P6 is used to stop all the micro mode operation, and it will return to the cooking mode display screen. Next, next, grill mode. Grill mode how to control if the user press P3 from the cooking mode display screen, the grill mode will be activated. Step 1. The set time screen will be next where we prompt the user to enter the number of minutes and seconds to be run in grill mode. The star key is used for clearing the frames, minutes, or seconds set, and the H key is used to enter the next process. Second step, the time display screen will appear as soon as the user enter the hash key, the fan is turned on. Step 3, the timer will be running in a decremented value till sequence is 0. After that, the buzzer is on for 3 seconds, indicating that time is alert to the user. Step 4. The key 5 in the time display screen is used to pause the timer. The fan is also turned off. Step 5. The press key 4 will resume the timer operation and the fan is turned on. Step 6. The press key 6 is used to stop all the grill mode and operation and it will return to the cooking mode display screen. Next. Third is convection mode. Convection mode is step first when the user press key 3 from the cooking mode display screen, then the convection mode will be activated. The set timer screen opens where the user prompted to set the temperature for preheating in convection mode. The oven is preheated for the given value for 3 minutes after the user is enter H key. The set timer screen will be next, where we prompt the user to enter the number of minutes and seconds to be run in convection mode, and the start key is used for clearing the current minutes or seconds set, and the hash key is used to enter the next process. Next step, the time display screen will appear as soon as the user enter the hash key. The fan is turned on. Next step, the timer will be running in a decremented value till seconds reach 0. After the buzzer is on for 3 seconds, indicating a time alert to the user. Next step is the press key 5 in the time display screen is used to pause the timer. The fan is also turned off. Next step, the press key 4 will resume the timer operation and the fan is turned on. Next, press key 6 is used to stop all the convection mode operation and it will return to the cooking mode display screen. Next, next step, next mode is start mode. How to process first step is the user press key 4 for the cooking mode display screen. The start mode will be activated. The timer display screen will be appear as soon as the user enter the key 4. It will start decremented from the 30 seconds. The fan is turned on. The timer will be running in a decremented value till seconds reach 0. After the buzzer is on for 3 seconds, indicating a timing alert to the user. Next step, the press key 5 in the time display screen is used to follow the timer. The fan is also turned off. Next, the press key 4 will resume the timer operation and the fan is turned on. The uniqueness of the start mode is when user press key 4 in time display screen when the timer is running, the current value is incremented with 30 seconds. Next, press key 6 is used to stop all the convection mode operation and it will return to the cooking mode display screen. And next, the orbit free key is used to indicate the user that the micro oven door is open. It will turn on the buzzer and a message will be displayed on the LED to alert the user. This function is available in all timer display screen in all one. Now forward to Meyanka.
So, to conclude our presentation, we discussed about the block diagram and the working of microwave oven. Furthermore, we saw what is the embedded system and few applications and advantages of it. And lastly, we concluded it with four types of mode. So, from their humble beginnings as massive industrial appliances to their presence in today's kitchen, microwave ovens have transformed the way we prepare, reheat, and enjoy our meals. Furthermore, we will show you a video clip of our microwave oven simulation with the code and the output on our software. Thank you.
Here is the main.c file. Let's see the GitHub repository of this. Here is the various files used in my project, that is clcd.c, clcd.h, isr.c, main.c, main.h, matrix keypad.c, matrix keyboard.h, timers.c, timers.h, under microwave oven simulation project. Now let's build this code. Here the build is successful. Let's load this in Pixim Lab. I'm reloading the last. Now it's displayed that powering on microwave oven. The numbers 0 to 9 asterisk hash, this RB3, RB4, RB5, RA6 are the components of matrix keypad. These are the these are the LEDs. Buzzer is used for indicating the time up. It is the reset button. Uh, these are the various modes of cooking, that is micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, start mode. Now let's press the one, the digital, the matrix keypad. It's showing power is 900 watt. It's asking us to set up the time. This is the second. This is used to set the seconds, and it is used for setting the minutes. Let's see for a 15 set for 15 seconds for sample. Asterisk is used to clear clear what is entered. It's now set to 0. Let's set it to 25. Enter using the asterisk on the matrix keypad. Let's wait for 25 seconds to watch what happens. Yeah, the fan is rotating, indicating that the microwave oven is on. This buzzer is responsible for the time up sound. Now let's check. Now let's check the grill mode by pressing the button 2 on matrix keypad. It's asking to set up the time. Let's set 35 seconds and 1 minute, and let's enter it. The fan is rotating. Now 5 is used to pass the time. I have pressed the 5 and the time is stopped. If you want to increase the time by 30 seconds, you have to press the button 4. 6 is used to stop the timings. This again the menu is displayed here. Let's check the convention mode. It's asking to set the temperature. Let's set it to 25 degree. Enter it. It's preheating time. It's preheating for the default set time. Now let's set the time to 52 seconds and enter. If you press the 4, it increases by 30 seconds. Now let's stop this. 4 is simply used to restart, directly start without any mode. It's default Time is 30 seconds. This is how the microwave oven works. Now I have switched off the buzzer.